Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Slack status on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Slack app on your iPhone. Once you are in the app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on What's Your Status or Set Status if you don't already have one. Here you will see several preset status options such as in a meeting, commuting, or out sick. You can tap on any of these to use them immediately. If you want to create your own custom status, tap in the text field and enter the status you would like to display. You can also choose an emoji alongside your status by tapping the emoji icon. Once you are done, tap save in the top right corner. And that's how you can change your Slack status on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Slack tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.